So this is our 748, it's my wife's 748, a 1997 model, and today there's someone coming to collect it. We've had this bike for 5 years. My first motorbike was a Ducati 748. I went straight to the top and got one of these back in 2001, and I had mine, fun enough, for 5 years. Ultimately a reliable bike if you treat them correctly. This one here has been absolutely bomb-proof. You hear lots of horror stories about them, about Ducatis, but I think these ones are one of the best. To be fair, they're very easy to service. I won't be frightened of them. You can take these apart in minutes. They're thoroughly built for the racetrack, and they're an excellent machine. So you can have so much fun on them because it revs higher. It has such a great induction noise. I love that induction noise when you wind the throttle back full, and in every gear really.
Thanks for tuning in. Today is a sad day for me, but also a very exciting day. I am selling, the sad part about this is that I'm selling my 748, which I've had for 5 years, and it was actually the first bike that I've actually had since passing my test. And it's been a dream, it's been fantastic, and I've loved every minute of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick tour around the bike and give you my thoughts about the 748 for if anybody's wanting to buy one, and a little bit of experience of mine as well along the way. Talk about how much we've actually done with it. We've not done a great deal with it, but do you know why? Because I don't think we need it.
No, we've
the way
not.
That they are.
It's probably.
Right.
You're right. It's probably the only bike we've had. We've done very little. Very little. Apart from brake pads and
just
air
the general
filter
servicing and
it's,
really.
It's never been off the road, has it?
No.
We've had other bikes that have been off the road in the garage, waiting for parts, when this has just rode through it all, hasn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So they're a strong little bike.
They are. And I think the only other thing that you've always got to be careful with Ducatis is that they do run slightly warmer than other bikes.
Yeah, you've got to keep them moving,
so you've got to keep them moving. So if you're sat in a queue, like I was a couple of weeks ago in the
filter,
sun, you must filter. Otherwise, all it's going to do is just get a little bit warmer and a little bit warmer, and yeah, you need to keep it moving. Yeah, and you're always the one that doesn't have to fill up as much as we do as well, yeah. Fuel consumption is brilliant. Yeah, so I think we don't actually know what you can get out of a full tanker, do we? Absolutely no idea. I filled up, I mean, my 1198, I had to fill up twice to your once. Yeah. And but you just top up while you're there out of courtesy, don't you? Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. So shall we fire him up? Let people listen to it.
Let's fire him up.
Nothing like a V-twin sound, is there?
No, definitely not. I was just about to say, the one thing that is fantastic about the Ducatis is actually the exhaust. I love the fact that they go up and under the seat at the back. It looks amazing, sounds amazing, and it gives you a real smile and a real thrill when you ride it.
Yeah.
out on my Ducati 748, thought I'd take it out for a quick spin. I've actually decided that after owning this for 5 years, I am actually going to change it. I'm going to pop it up for sale, go for something a bit different. I'm fancying an Aprilia, I think, maybe a CBR 1000, the Repsol Honda version. I am used to this bike, so it's not too bad, but it'd be nice to change it up a bit. Bit windy today. Just checking there. Oh, a few cars on the road this morning. A few more bikers coming down here. Take him down these little country roads, see what he's got. The only thing with Ducatis, they feel a bit more clunky, a bit more bouncy, but like I say, 1997 748, it's not a new bike. He's a bit of an old beam, but still fun to ride, mind. Still fun to ride. Very windy today. I'm hoping you can hear me on this, but we'll see when we get home. Bouncy road this. So what I'm saying about this suspension, it's a bit bumpy. Plays a bit of havoc really with your wrists in this race position. Grip it with your knees, grip it with your knees. That's all you got to keep telling yourself on this bike. Well, I do anyway. Ooh, lovely. Lovely and quiet this morning. everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is my... Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today... Oh, shit.